Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is a VW ID.3, and this is a full electric vehicle. And people are asking, can you put immobilizer systems and security systems on these new electric vehicles? And the answer is yes we can. So we got this new ID.3 2021 all protected up with the smart security StarLine S9 system. It's a full smart security alarm, fully immobilizes the car, and also prevents the theft of the vehicle as well, so nobody can steal this brand new electric vehicle. So the way the system works, it protects you from these keyless car theft. So you know, all these new cars now keyless. The moment the thief opens the door, it will set an alarm off, and will also prevent the car from starting because it's going to be immobilized as well. So I'm going to show you how this system works. So let's pretend I'm a thief. I copy your key, you know, clone the key, and I get in the vehicle. So if I unlock the car now and I open the door, as you can hear, the alarm is going off, and also I will not be able to start the car as well. So if I try and start the car, so start button here, obviously it's not starting. And also what's going to happen is it's going to call you on the phone because the system's linked to your phone. So if you answer that now,
ignition is on.
as you can see,
the
it's lets you know that
ignition is on.
ignition, someone's trying to start the car. Obviously they can't start it because the car's immobilized as well. And also you get full smartphone app with this. It shows you the status of the vehicle, you know, showing that obviously it's gone red, someone's going in the vehicle. And yeah, you got other bits of features. I'll show you how to disarm the system. Okay, so now I've got the tag, so I'm going to disarm the system. As you can see, you just press the tag and it will disarm the system. Obviously you only press the tag when the alarm goes off, that way it disarms the system. And now I can fully start the car. You can see the car's started, and I can see it's ready, and now I can put it into gear. So yeah, and also the app, it shows you the full status of the vehicle and the tracking. You know, you can track your vehicle. You got various stuff you can adjust with it, put into service mode. You can also do various sensors such as motion, shock and tilt. So if someone were to, you know, hit your car, tilt your car, move your car while the system's armed, it will set the alarm off. So let me just show you the sensors here. As you can see, these are the sensors you can, various sensors you can change on there. So yeah, if you want this system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 554 5554, or even come visit us at Car Sound Security, Ganshill, Ilford, IG2 6QA.